The Las Vegas Strip, a glittering oasis of excitement and entertainment in the Nevada desert, is a place where the extraordinary becomes ordinary, and dreams can come true with the pull of a lever or the turn of a card. The Strip, officially a section of Las Vegas Boulevard South, stretches approximately 4.2 miles and is home to some of the world's most iconic hotels and casinos, drawing millions of visitors each year. As night falls, the Strip transforms into a dazzling spectacle of neon lights. The famous Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign, designed by Betty Willis in 1959, greets visitors with its vintage charm at the south end of the Strip. Each hotel on the Strip offers a unique theme and experience. The Luxor Hotel and Casino, for instance, is a giant pyramid with a bright beam of light that can be seen from space, while the Venetian Resort replicates the canals and architecture of Venice, complete with gondola rides. The MGM Grand is the largest single hotel in the United States, boasting over 6,800 rooms. Its sheer size and scale are a testament to the grandiosity that defines the Strip. The Strip is synonymous with world-class entertainment. The Coliseum at Caesar's Palace, originally built for Celine Dion, hosts top-tier performers like Elton John and Mariah Carey. The Bellagio Fountains, a choreographed water show set to music, delight visitors with performances every 30 minutes in the evenings. Gambling is the heartbeat of the Strip. With thousands of slot machines and hundreds of gaming tables, casinos like the Bellagio, the Wynn, and the Mirage offer games ranging from poker and blackjack to roulette and craps. The High Roller, the world's tallest observation wheel at 550 feet, offers panoramic views of the Strip and the surrounding desert. Each cabin can hold up to 10 people, providing a breathtaking experience for all. The Strip is famous for its extravagant shows. Cirque du Soleil has multiple permanent shows here, including O at the Bellagio, which incorporates a massive pool of water, and KA at the MGM Grand, featuring acrobatic performances on a rotating stage. Renowned chefs like Gordon Ramsay, Joel Robuchon, and Guy Savoy have established premier restaurants on the Strip, making it a destination for foodies. Buffets, such as the Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace, offer an array of gourmet delights. The Strip is also a shopping mecca. The Forum shops at Caesar's Palace and the shops at Crystals feature high-end retailers like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Prada. The Strip is home to many replicas of global landmarks. Paris Las Vegas boasts a half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower, while New York, New York features a miniature version of the Statue of Liberty and the Brooklyn Bridge. Visitors can indulge in luxury at the Strip's opulent spas. The Canyon Ranch Spa Club at the Venetian and the Bellagio Spa and Salon offer world-class treatments in serene settings. The nightlife on the Strip is unparalleled. Clubs like Excess at the Wynn and Omnia at Caesar's Palace attract top DJs and celebrities, creating an electric atmosphere. Las Vegas is known as the wedding capital of the world. With numerous chapels, couples can tie the knot quickly and often with themed ceremonies, from Elvis impersonators to drive-through weddings. For adrenaline junkies, the Stratosphere Tower offers thrilling rides like the Sky Jump, a controlled freefall from 829 feet, and the X Screen, a ride that teeters over the edge of the tower. Hidden gems abound on the Strip. The speakeasy-style bar, The Laundry Room, located inside Commonwealth, offers an intimate setting with expertly crafted cocktails. The Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art and the Aria Fine Art Collection bring high art to the Strip, showcasing works by artists like Picasso, Warhol, and Van Gogh. Daytime revelry is epitomized by the pool parties. The Marquis Day Club at the Cosmopolitan and Wet Republic at the MGM offer a party atmosphere with music, drinks, and luxury cabanas. The Strip is a hotspot for celebrity sightings. Stars can often be spotted dining, gambling, or performing at various venues. Unlike many places, the Strip never sleeps. Casinos, restaurants, and entertainment options operate around the clock, providing non-stop excitement for visitors. One of the Strip's most iconic attractions, the Mirage Hotel, features a man-made volcano that erupts nightly, spewing fireballs and lava to the delight of onlookers. The Strip is home to some of the most luxurious hotel suites in the world. The Sky Villas at the Palms Casino Resort, complete with private pools and 24-hour butler service, offer opulence fit for royalty. Elvis Presley performed 636 consecutive sold-out shows at the International Hotel, now the Westgate, Las Vegas, from 1969 to 1976, cementing his status as the King of Las Vegas. The early days of the Strip were heavily influenced by organized crime. Figures like Bugsy Siegel played a pivotal role in developing the Flamingo Hotel, one of the first luxury hotels on the Strip. The Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens feature elaborate seasonal displays made from thousands of plants and flowers, creating a stunning visual experience that changes with each season. At the Bellagio, visitors can marvel at the world's largest chocolate fountain, a mesmerizing display of cascading chocolate that stands 27 feet tall. Beneath the Strip lies a network of tunnels used for maintenance and utilities, and occasionally for more mysterious purposes. These hidden passageways are off-limits to the public, adding an element of intrigue. The Cosmopolitan boasts the Chandelier Bar, a multi-story bar enveloped in 2 million crystal beads, creating a sparkling, immersive environment for guests to enjoy. Until 2012, the MGM Grand featured a lion habitat where guests could view live lions up close, a nod to the hotel's lion-themed logo. The Strip is also a major sports destination. The T-Mobile Arena hosts a variety of events, including home games for the NHL's Vegas Golden Knights and numerous high-profile boxing matches. The Link Promenade is an open-air shopping, dining, and entertainment district, features the High Roller, as well as unique attractions like the Fly Link zipline, which allows guests to soar over the promenade. At Paris, Las Vegas, the Eiffel Tower replica features a nightly light show, with dazzling lights illuminating the structure in synchronization with music. The Silverton Casino Lodge, just off the Strip, houses a massive 117,000-gallon aquarium with thousands of tropical fish, mermaids, and interactive feeding shows. The Las Vegas Strip, a testament to human ingenuity and the desire for entertainment, continues to evolve and expand. Its blend of luxury, history, and innovation ensures that it remains one of the most captivating and dynamic destinations in the world, where every visit offers new experiences and discoveries. If you want to know more about Las Vegas, please leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel.